Hi, I'm Joe Stanley from the Stanley Law Offices. No one knows what's just around the corner, but you do need to know what to do next. The next few minutes will give you some answers.
Good evening, Joe. It's a wonderful time of year coming up on the holidays. People are very generous this time of year. And are there certain things, though, that we should be mindful of when we're asked to give, when we're asked to donate?
Well, you should always know who and what and how when you give, and and people are misled, and there are so many now opportunities for, so to speak,
do good.
Well, and to do bad. The internet is a tool, and it just is a very small story. I just read that lawyers in a particular state, that 15% of the lawyers were falling victim to these internet scams where people were asked to give money or invest money. And so, and lawyers you would think would know better. And so sometimes they don't, sometimes we don't. As consumers, we get caught up in
the emotional part of it. We want to do good, right?
So ask, be, concerned for your neighbors, but also be concerned that they are getting what they need out of your donation. And that is important, because there's always somebody who's out there trying to take advantage of a good thing. If you have any more questions, call the Stanley Law Offices or visit our website. We'll be there for you.